Hello my dear students, today that is 25/1/22 Tuesday. We are going to listen, I have explained about the histogram yesterday, is it right? So now we are going to see that histogram. What is that? Histogram frequency table in our graph sheet. Okay, so listen students, I have explained you last class itself. So what is mean by class interval? Class interval na enna last class la sollirundha illaya. So class interval na enna 0 to 10, 10 to 20 இந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு 1 by 1 வரது வந்து class interval இல்லையா. ஸோ இந்த 0 to 10, 10 to 20 இந்த இடத்துல நமக்கு 10ஓ 20ஓ இந்த இடத்துல வந்திருந்ததுன்னா how can we represent that number? 10ங்கிறது வந்து lower, இந்த லிமிட்ல we should not take. Okay, so in this limit we should not take, in this limit only we should take that 10. Okay, so now apart from this we are having the continuous frequency distribution. Okay, we are having the continuous distribution in what is that? Grouped. What is that? We have explained about the grouped data, is it right? So in grouped data we are having that graph. Okay, graph sheet. So listen students, we are going to take a graph sheet. Understand, we are going to take a graph sheet. Then see, listen, they have given that draw a histogram for the following table which represents the age groups from 100 people in a village, which represents the age groups from 100 people in a village. So it has been given as a age groups of 100 people in a village. Okay, so 100 people oda ages வந்து நமக்கு represent பண்றாங்க எப்படி? So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 0 to 10 10 வயசுக்குள்ள, பிறந்ததுலேருந்து 10 வயசுக்குள்ள நமக்கு எவ்வளோ பேர் இருக்காங்க? 10 to 20, 10 to 20 ages, how many members are there? 20 to 30 ages, how many members are there? Then 30 to 40 ages, how many members are there? Likewise it moves on to 80 to 90. So after that 90 no one is there. Okay, so that alone they have explained, they have represented there. So first of all we are going to do that graph sheet. In that graph sheet the x-axis it will be coming as from ages. What is that? The class interval I have explained you is in already. We have to write the class interval in x-axis. So numbers, frequency in the y-axis. Okay, so frequency in the y-axis. So listen, we are going to represent the class intervals. So listen, here we can denote it as 0, then here we can denote it as 10. So 10, 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So listen students, after that 90 we can write or we can leave it. Okay, so up to 100 we can, I have written here. Then after that we have to write the y-axis. Okay, how we have to write the y-axis? We are having 25 numbers, is it right? So we can't write that each number in this, within this space. So we have to take that each box as a 2 units. Okay, each box, that is each y-axis as 2 units. So I am going to take that each one as 2 units. So after that 2 we are having that 4, 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, 14, 16, up to how much we have to write? 26, because we are having 25 as a number, right? So we have to write up to 26. 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So I have written here also. So how more units in x-axis? One, each boxes contains 10 units. Is it right? So we have to write that scale. Every graph we have to write scale, students. It is very, very important. Not only in your graph sheets when I have given you every time. So in each graph you have to write that x-axis 1 centimeter it is equal to, I have written 10 units. Okay, I have written 10 units, as well as y-axis 1 centimeter it is equal to 2 units. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Likewise, we have to write, students. Then after this, see, listen. After this, we have completed those things. After this, we have to draw the frequency table, frequency graph. Okay, so it is known as histograms. It is nothing but it is known as histogram. Understand? So 0 to 10. So listen, they are given as 0 to 10. How much? 0 to 10 up to 11. So number of people is 11. So we have to write that 11. Okay, so where is 11? We have to see. So listen, with these things 10 to 11, the 10 to 12, the 11 will present. Okay, then see, listen, each boxes it will represent 2. Is it right? So here I'll get that 11. What is that? Here I'll get that 11. So here we have to write it. Understand? Here only we have to draw for 11. So listen, students, here we have to draw for 11. Then 0 to 10 ages, 11 members are there. So we have to draw like this. The rectangular box, it will be the rectangular line, it will be it should be drawn like that. Understand? So after that 10 to 20. So listen, 10 to 20. How many members are there? 9 members are there. So 10 to 20 we have to follow that 9 members. So listen, within this 8 to 9, within this 8 to 9 we are having that 9. Is it 8 to 10? We are having that 9. So here we have to take over 9. So listen, I have drawn here for 9. Understand? Then after this we have to see, listen, this is 9, this is the frequency, this is the people, 11 people, then this is 9 people. Then after that we have to complete that 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is nothing but 8 members. So 20 to 30, 8 members are present in the village. Okay, so 8 members are present in the village. Understand? So likewise we have to write. Then 30 to 40, how many members are there? 20 members are there. 30 to 40, 20 members are there. So we have to draw the graph for this, like for this thing we have to draw the graph like this. Understand? Then after that this is 20. Then 30 to 40 we have completed, 20 members are there. Then after that 40 to 50, 25. 40 to 50 is 25. We have to place it here because in between 24 and 26 we are having 25. So we have to place it the graph here only. Then 25. Understand? Then likewise after that, what is that? 50 to 60. 50 to 60, 10 members. 50 to 60, 10 members means we have to take over 10 members. 50 to 60. So 50 to 60 we have to draw like this. What is that? It is 10 members. 10 members are present in the village within the age of 50 to 60. Then 60 to 70, 8 members are there. So 60 to 70, again the frequency, that is the table frequency box, it is decreasing. 60 to 70, only 8 members. Then after that 70 to 80, it is 6 members. The 70 to 80, it is 6 members. So we have to draw like this, 70 to 80 for 70 to 80. Then after that 80 to 90, how many members are there? 3 members are there. So 3 members we have to place it. place the graph here because in between 2 and 4 the 3 is present. Is it right? So we have to place here. So how many members are there? 3 members. Okay. So likewise we have to draw the histogram table, students. So for x-axis we have completed. See, listen, we have completed. What is that? This is ages of people. Ages of people. Then we have to write here as, see, listen, in this side we have to write that number of people. Number of people. Ages of people we have to write it in the x-axis. Then number of people we have to write it in the y-axis. Understand? So likewise we have to draw the histogram, students. It is very important. Just see this because it will be coming for your higher classes. Thank you.